first day at work.
Hello, Anthony. Welcome to the team. How are you feeling? Thank you, John. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited. There's a lot to take in. That's normal. On the first day, everyone feels that way. I hope that I don't make any mistakes. Don't worry. Just ask if you're not sure about anything. We're all here to help, and no one wants you to know everything right away. Thanks. That makes me feel a lot better. By the way, where's the meeting room? Oh, it's right down the hall. You'll see a big sign above the door, so you can't miss it. Thanks. And what does down the hall mean exactly? It just means to walk straight down this hallway. The meeting room will be at the end on your left. Got it. Thank you, John. I'll try to remember all this and do my best. Just take it one step at a time.
Meeting a new colleague. Hi, I'm Emily. I just started today.
Hi, Emily. I'm John. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the team.
Thank you, John. It's nice to meet you too.
How's your first day going so far?
It's good. Sarah showed me around and I went to my first meeting.
That's great. If you need any help, just ask. We're all here to support each other.
Thanks. I appreciate that. I'm still learning where everything is.
Don't worry. You'll get the hang of it soon. How do you like the office so far?
It's really nice. Everyone seems friendly. I think I'll enjoy working here.
I'm sure you will. We have a good team.
That's good to know. What do you usually work on, John?
I mostly work on the marketing campaigns. Right now, we're preparing for a big project.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What kind of project is it?
It's a new product launch, so we're working on the advertising strategy, social media content, and some promotional events.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of work. How long have you been working on it?
We've been planning it for a few months now. It's going to be a big deal for the company.
That's exciting. I'd love to help out if there's anything I can do.
That's great to hear. Your enthusiasm will be a big asset. Do you have any experience with marketing?
A little bit, yes. I helped with some social media campaigns in my last job, but I'm eager to learn more.
You're in the right place then. We often have workshops and training sessions.
That's really motivating to hear. I'm excited to be part of this team. Morning meeting.
Good morning, everyone. Let's start the meeting. Today, we have a new team member. Emily, would you like to introduce yourself?
Good morning. I'm Emily. I just joined the team, and I'm excited to work with all of you.
Welcome, Emily. We're happy to have you here. Now, let's go over today's tasks. We need to finish the marketing report by the end of the day.
I'll handle the first part, and John will work on the second part.
Yes, I'll start right after this meeting. Great. Emily, you can help Sarah with that. She'll guide you through it.
Okay, I'll do my best. No problem, Emily. We'll work on it together.
Also, we have a client call at 11 a.m. I'll need everyone to be prepared. Please review the project details before the call.
Can I ask what the client call is about? I'd like to understand more.
Of course, Emily. It's a follow-up with one of our key clients. We'll discuss the progress on the project and any adjustments they want.
That sounds important. I'll make sure to review the details carefully. If you have any questions about the project, feel free to ask me before the call. Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate that. I'll go through the documents after the meeting. Could you please send me that report before the deadline? Jasmine tea and inbox 0. Life is good.
Jenny, please tell me you finished the sales report.
Oh, that thing. I already emailed it to you last night.
The file you sent me, it won't open. It says unknown error.
What? No way. I triple-checked it.
Did you?
Wait. I upgraded my laptop yesterday. Maybe something went wrong with the file transfer.
Check it again, please.
Okay. Don't panic. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Oh.
I don't like your at all.
Good news. I found the real report. Bad news. It's still in draft form with all my notes.
The deadline's in 30 minutes. For the love of... Could you please send me that report before the deadline?
Yeah, I can do it. Just need to remove all of my nonsense in it.
And please, let's hope this one actually opens.
Fingers crossed. The confusing email.
Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand the email you sent. What is ASAP? Oh, ASAP means as soon as possible. It's just a way to say something needs to be done quickly. Ah, I see. Thank you. I'm still learning some phrases. No problem. If you ever don't understand something, just ask. Thank you. And what does CC mean in emails? CC stands for carbon copy. It's when you send an email to more than one person. If you get an email that has CC, it means you're getting the email, but you don't have to reply. Wow, the more I work, the more I need to learn. Thank you for explaining. Anytime, Carlos.
Asking for help. Hey, Tony, could you help me with this report? I'm not sure about some of the terms.
Sure, Vivian. Which parts are confusing?
This one says client feedback analysis. What does that mean?
It means we listen to what customers say about our services and try to understand it.
Oh, I see. And this term, benchmarking.
Benchmarking means comparing our results with other companies to see how we're doing.
Thanks, Tony. I was really lost.
No problem, Vivian. It's always confusing at first, but you'll get the hang of it.
I hope so. Thanks again. You gotta meet the deadline, okay?
Hey, Lucas, you look stressed. Is everything okay? Not really. This report's driving me crazy. There's so much to do, and I don't think I can finish it on time. You gotta meet the deadline, okay? The boss won't take any excuses. I know, but I feel like I'm drowning in work. Look, don't bite off more than you can chew. Break it into smaller tasks. Like finishing one section at a time. Exactly. And take breaks. Your brain needs rest too. Easy for you to say. You're always so organized. I used to be a mess, trust me. But I learned to plan ahead. Maybe I should stop putting things off. Maybe. Dude, time is ticking. Let's get this done.
I accidentally deleted the important file.
Ava, I may or may not have deleted a very important file.
I need you to repeat that, but properly and slower this time.
I accidentally deleted the important file. The presentation's gone.
Oh no. 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 How?
I clicked something, then boom, gone.
You gotta be... Okay, let's breathe first. Maybe it's in the trash folder?
Nope, I already checked. Nothing there, just memes.
Memes? Memes? Oh my god.
At least I deleted it with style.
This is not funny, Leo. The boss will kill us.
No worries, we have a backup. The one was just made last week, right?
That's the thing. I never uploaded it. I was gonna do it today.
Ah, yes, the classic tomorrow trap.
Thanks for the support. I feel so much better now.
All right, no jokes. Let's try file recovery tools. I know a few tricks.
You do? Since when are you the tech genius?
Since I deleted my own file last month. Been there, done that.
And what? You survived?
Barely, but yes, I recovered it like a hero.
Okay, let's do this. You're my only hope, Obi-Wan.
May the files be with us.
Solving problems at work. Morning, Jake.
Morning, Bella.
You look a little stressed. Is everything all right?
Not quite, Bella. I'm having a bit of a headache with my project.
Which one are you talking about?
The Delta one.
This project has been going on for almost a year, right? Still not finished?
They emailed me last night. They weren't happy with my latest proposal.
What specifically did they say?
They said it's too formal and doesn't capture their vibe.
Did they mention any specific sections they found too formal?
No, they just said so and asked for a new proposal this afternoon.
That sounds like Delta.
What do you mean?
Actually, I know this client very well. I worked with them a few times.
So, any suggestions?
Well, you might not believe me, but if they say you're too formal, just use brighter colors in your proposal.
Really? That's all?
Well, and add some memes if possible.
Memes? Are you kidding me?
Not at all. Delta's boss is Gen Z. If you send them the traditional proposal, they won't like it.
I see. Got it. I'll try to do as you suggest. Thank you, Bella.
No problem. Hit me up if you need more info about Delta.
Sure, I will. I gotta fix my proposal now.
See you later. Good luck. See ya. Coffee break. Hey, Emily. Want to join us for a coffee break? Sure, that sounds great.
We usually take a break around this time. It's a good way to relax.
I'm glad you invited me. I could use a break. Do you like the coffee here? Yes, it's pretty good. I like it strong.
Same here. So, how do you feel after working here for a while?
It's going well. There's a lot to learn, but everyone's been really helpful. We've all been there. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it soon. Thanks. I'm just trying to take it one step at a time.
That's the best way. And remember, if you ever need help, just ask.
I will, thanks. It's nice to know I'm not alone. We're a team, Emily. We look out for each other.
My back hurts from sitting too long.
I need a break.
What's wrong?
My back hurts from sitting too long. I've been staring at this screen for hours.
Yeah, I feel you. I think we've been here for almost 3 hours.
No wonder my back feels stiff. I should have moved around more.
Let's take a quick walk. A little movement might help.
That's a great idea. Plus, I could use some fresh air.
And maybe another coffee.
You just want an excuse to grab another latte.
Guilty as charged. But seriously, let's stretch our legs before we turn into statues.
Agreed. Let's go. Call it a day.
We've been working for 5 hours straight now.
Yeah, it's a long day. My eyes hurt from looking at the screen.
And I have a headache. I feel like I'm mesmerized.
Well, we finished most of the report. That's true. Just a few more parts left. All right, guys, let's call it a day.
You mean stop now?
Yes, Jake. We've been working so hard today.
That's so great. I'm just waiting for that one from you.
Jake is always Jake. Then we will finish the rest tomorrow. Let me save the file now.
Sure. Don't forget to back it up.
I won't. You two go first. I'll turn off the lights.
Thanks, Haley. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Haley, have a great night. See both of you soon. Hanging out with friends.
Hey, what's up, Will? Hey, Alex. Busy this weekend? I'm free. What's up? Let's go drink coffee. We have not gathered since college. Okay, is it just you and me? I called Liam, Danny, and Steve. The whole team? Wow! Coffee only? We'll discuss more at the coffee. Okay, time, place, 9 a.m., Sober Tabby. The old place. Perfect. Okay, bye. Bye. Wow, it's been years since the last time we were together like this. We used to be here daily. Hello, guys. Long time no see. Oh, hello, Uncle Harry. Yes, long time. Are your lives all good? We're all good, Uncle Henry. Oh, I'm so happy to see you all healthy and living a good life. I think we should meet more often. Sure, and by the way of this meeting, we should have a bigger time together. You know, camping, fishing, things we used to do in the past. Are you going to drive to Vancouver just for a beaver tour like before? No way, I'm old. We're all old. Eating and drinking, they don't make a difference. I suggest a vacation on which we can all spend a few days together. Camping's a good choice. Hey, we're not as strong as we used to be. That's right, office jobs have reduced our health. No problem, we just need 2 weeks to train. I know a place in the northern part of the state. We can go all the way to the campsite by car, even though it's high in the mountains. It takes around 3 hours driving. No problem, I have an SUV. It's been modified to go off-road. It fits our purposes. So, when do we go? I still have to buy some camping gear. Maybe next month. See you guys here in 2 weeks. Let's see how prepared we are. Agreed.